How to create Ring account on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome, search ring.com. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on sign in at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on sign in, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on create new account at the bottom to create an account. You'll find this kind of screen. Add your first name, last name, country, and then press on continue at the bottom. Then add your email address, retype your mail, then press on continue at the bottom. After you've done that, create your password. Then press on create account at the bottom. After you've done that, your account will be created and verification link will be sent to your mail. You can simply check your mail and you'll find this kind of mail. In here, click on Verify Now. After you have clicked on Verify Now, your account will be verified. You can simply open Ring again, reload it, and your account is created. This is how to create Ring account on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.